2, 1, start.
Hi everyone, I'm Ruonan. We are Team 19. Let me introduce our group members first. This is Tian and Vandit. It is my great honor to be here to introduce our supervisor, Dr. Andre Kan. Our project is modeling immune responses in Python. Let's have a quick view of project background. Data visualization and mathematical modeling for predicting immune responses are crucial tasks for medical researchers. For the majority of medical researchers or lab assistants, the following questions put them in trouble. What this data is all about? Is there any easy way to visualize this captured data into a computer system? How can I use my mathematical model to predict the future immune responses for the cell? Thus, a generalized visualization framework for modeling immune responses is a much needed product for every medical researchers. Let's see what we did in contribution. The first contribution is that visualization of the immune responses data as per generations and per time period to get sufficient insight. The second contribution is that implementation of the cohort method for estimation of the rates of division and the death of cell. Our users are focused on medical researchers and data analysts. Now I will hand over to Tian to give system design overview and the technologies that we have used in this project. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Rona. And our main goal of our project is to help the user to analyze their data easier. They could log into the hierarchical systems, and in the systems, it will finish the modeling, conclusion, parts, and of course, if that is necessary, the system could connect with the database to provide a better and a curated service for the users. And we finished the front end part of the project by Dash and Heroku. It could provide a very clear interface to the users, and it is easy to operate it. When it comes to the web server, we finish it by Python. In this part, it will finish the conclusion, modeling, and celebrate the data, and it could give the users a more clear results. And now I will invite Vandit to introduce the result of our project and what will we do in our future work.
Thanks, Tian. So what we are seeing right now on our right side is the visualization results. So we are seeing the results for per time period and per generation as well. Also, what our main contribution is to implement the cohort method, which our supervisor did 5 years ago. So basically what we are doing is we have a number of cells and we are trying to expand those cells and get the cohort sum for all of the generation. And finally, we are getting cohort number by dividing with the total cells to get the estimation of the rates for division and death of cells. So what we are seeing in the visualization result, the first two graphs are just for per generation and per time period cells, while the other two graphs are including the cohort number. So these are just not 4 graphs, but there are a range of different graphs are available on our web page as well. So basically what our future work also consider is that the extension of the work includes the custom and advanced user interface for users flexibility. Also, advanced model integration will help to get better prediction and visualization as well. And finally, we are looking for additional support to include different plots for visualization as well. And finally, we would like to acknowledge our people, our supervisor. So we are grateful to Dr. Andre Khan for their valuable comments and suggestions due to which the project was improved. We gratefully acknowledge the support of Dr. Cruz Izu and Mr. Roberto throughout the course timeline. Thank you so much.